Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Candy Blossom Seed in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, the Candy Blossom is back, and in this update, you will be able to get the seed, but you need to do like a mission to get it. Okay, you can go to this NPC Catelyn and you can talk to her and you can view the crafting menu. Okay, and if you want to unlock the Candy Blossom, you need not 5 but 50 golden eggs, and also one candy blossom shards. And for this shard, you can obtain it every 25 fruit submissions to the angry plant. And for the golden egg, you can obtain the egg if you join this event, the egg hunt event or the evil bunny event. The event will give you a chance to get the golden egg, and after you have 50 golden eggs, you can talk to Catelyn. You can submit the golden egg and with the candy blossom shard, and you will unlock one candy blossom. For the candy blossom shard, you can feed this angry plant. Okay, and after you feed this plant 25 times, you will unlock the candy blossom shard. I know it's a little bit hard to get guys, but you can try. And for 50 golden eggs, I think it's not impossible because you can join this event or this event. And okay guys, that's how you can get the Candy Blossom Seed and Grow a Garden game of Roblox. New Star update. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.